Have you ever wondered about the profound significance of rituals in Hindu marriages? Why is it that these ancient customs continue to hold such a great value in our modern world? Today we delve into the heart of one such ritual, the Saptapadi, to explore its rich history and sacred significance. At the core of a Hindu marriage ceremony, there lies a ritual known as the Saptapadi, or the 7 steps. This integral part of the ceremony involves the bride and groom walking around a sacred fire known as the Agni, 7 times whilst reciting specific vows. These movements, also referred to as faras, are much more than mere steps. They symbolize the couple's commitment to each other and their shared aspirations for their future together. Fire, or Agni, holds a special place of reverence in Hinduism. Considered the divine witness to the solemnization of the marriage, Agni is believed to carry the vows of the couple to the Supreme Being, blessing the newlyweds with a prosperous and fulfilling married life. And it is in front of this divine witness that the couple embarks on the journey of Saptapadi. Now you may be wondering, but what does each of these 7 steps signify? Each fara around the fire represents a specific vow, a promise that the couple makes to each other. The first step is a commitment to provide for a prosperous and healthy household. The second step is a vow to develop their physical, mental, and spiritual powers. The third step is a promise to earn and increase their wealth by righteous means. The fourth step is a pledge to acquire knowledge, happiness, and harmony by mutual love and trust. The fifth step is a vow to have children and to raise them together. The sixth step is a promise to enjoy the fruits of all seasons. And finally, the 7th step is a pledge to remain lifelong friends and cherish a bond of mutual love and understanding. The completion of these 7 steps marks the successful solemnization of a Hindu marriage, as stated in Section 7 of the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. It's not just about the physical act of walking around the fire, but rather the symbolic journey that the couple embarks on together, bound by the unbreakable vows they've made in the presence of the divine Agni. In essence, the Saptapadi ritual is a beautiful testament to the depth and sanctity of a Hindu marriage. It underlines the shared responsibilities, mutual respect, and deep-rooted love that forms the foundation of a strong marital bond. It's a journey that starts with 7 steps but continues throughout a lifetime, reminding us of the timeless wisdom and profound significance of these ancient rituals. So the next time you witness a Hindu wedding, remember, each step taken around the fire is a step towards a shared dream, a step towards lifelong companionship, and indeed, a step closer to the divine. The Saptapadi, in its true essence, is a beautiful symphony of love, commitment, and divine blessings.